In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, focused search campaign that's ready to attract the right customers. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Ads. Look for the official Google Ads site from Google and open it. On the homepage, click Sign in and log in with your Google account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, click the big plus button to create a new campaign. You'll be asked to choose a goal. Sales is best if you sell products or want purchases. Leads is ideal for service businesses focused on calls, form fills, or inquiries. Website traffic is great when your main aim is bringing people to your site. Pick the one that most closely matches your immediate priority. Next, choose your campaign type. Select Search to show text ads on Google results pages when people actively look for what you offer. This keeps things intent-driven and easier to control for beginners. You'll then select how you want to reach your goal. Check options like website visits, phone calls, or store visits if applicable. Choose only what you can properly handle and measure. Name your campaign clearly so you can recognize it later, then continue. Under Networks, it's generally best to uncheck Google Display Network and Search Partners. This keeps your ads showing strictly on Google's search results, which gives you tighter control while you learn what works. For locations, choose the areas you actually serve. Use the presence setting for people in or regularly in your locations so your budget isn't spent on people just researching from far away. Keep it relevant to where your customers are. When you reach keyword and asset generation, you can let Google help by suggesting ideas based on your website or product. Treat these as a starting point and review each suggestion to ensure it truly matches your offerings and search intent. Now, create your ads. Provide up to 15 headlines and 4 descriptions. Include top keywords, clear benefits, and a simple call to action. The more high-quality variations you add, the better Google can test combinations and improve performance over time. Set your budget thoughtfully. This is your average daily spend. Start with a comfortable number, then plan to adjust once you see results and cost per lead or sale. Finally, review everything: goal, type, networks, location settings, keywords, and ad copy. When it looks right, launch your campaign. Your ads may go through a brief review process before they begin serving. And that's it. You've created a focused Google Ads search campaign.